Hi everyone, welcome back to gmailfiend. It's Ira, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use or add emojis or emoticons in your email using Gmail. So it's basically so easy, and I'll be teaching you how to make use of it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's try to compose an email and then put it there. And as you can see here at the bottom part, we have the formatting, right? But you can see a smiley face right here. This is the insert emoji button. But you can also use the keyboard shortcuts, which is Control Shift 2. So let's try this. Control Shift 2. As you can see, it now has popped up. So it has a lot of emojis, including the emojis that you can see in your phone and many more. So for example, I want to add a puppy, and this is my dog. So basically, these emojis are frequently used in informal emails, but if you're like the formal type of person, you might want to try using these emojis. So we hope you learned something from this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next one. Bye!